Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I designed this professional birthday flyer. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel and you have not subscribed, I would like you to hit on that subscribe button now. Yeah, if your subscribe button is still showing red, it means you have not subscribed, or if it is still showing black, it means you have not subscribed. By all means, please hit on that subscribe button. Also, please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people out there who are wishing to come across such, and also like you to turn the notification bell on so that you get notified each time I drop a new video on my channel. So right away we'll be going now to our Pixellab workspace. Okay, we are our Pixellab workspace now. Want to ensure that the design size is 1280 by 1280. So right away I will go on now to I'm going now to import the background. Alright, so this is the background we shall be using. So I will just crop it to my required size and I will enlarge to cover the portion of the screen. So right away, let me bring in the image. So this is the image I shall be using. At the beginning of this video I showed you a different flyer, right? A different background. So all you need to do is just master the design principles I use here. The design doesn't matter. Actually I looked for that background, I did not see it. So that's why I'm just swapping. Everything here will be done similarly to that one. So let me use this one. So now I want to blend this image to that background. I will go to, let me reduce a bit. So I will go to, let me close this. I'll go to my shape now. Go to gradient and choose this gradient color. I have a video on how to create a gradient color. You can just go back and watch that video. So now this image has been blended to that background. Okay. I will go now and import the birthday text. Alright. So this is the text. See, we can't use this text the way it is now. So I have to remove this background. Actually, there's a way in Pixellab where you can remove, how you can remove a background. So you just click on the image, you go to erase color, this one, erase color, they enable it. So the color has been erased. The tolerance, you click on tolerance at 13. You click OK. You come to your color to set the color to white. Alright. So this is how it is. Centralize it. So the reason why I'm closing my resources is so that they will not be distorted from the original position. Let me take this up a bit so I can fit in the name of this lady. So I'll put the radius at 3. That color, the color of that shape, I want to take the color here, this one, something blue. Okay, yeah, so this one I'll be using. Let me darken the blue a bit. Okay, so that's what I have there. Always make sure it is centralized. I want to create an effect, a shadow, not really a shadow. I want to create an effect on that shape. So I'll go to my tool, I choose this semicircle. I'll go to my gradient, take this one, and make sure it is this second bar. Yeah, it is further apart from this first one. So now the color of this one, I will change it to white. Okay, so I'll just reduce this. Alright, So as for the opacity, you'll reduce the opacity. Let's leave it at 30. Okay, so that's what I intend to create. So again, I will come here, I'll put in the name of this lady. Mariam Johnson. Alright. So the font type I'll be using for this name is Montserrat Medium. It's too small, let me enlarge a bit. Let me leave it at 25. Alright. So what next? Let me put the date of our bed. So this is what will carry the date of bed. I will minimize. Okay. So assuming her date of birth is today, February 15. So be the 15th of February. February is the second month of the year 2024. Alright, so the font type I'll be using here. The Akira is expanded. Alright, let me just arrange the text here. Please, if up to now we have not yet subscribed, I'll give you 5 seconds, just 5 seconds to hit on that subscribe button. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much for subscribing. And I also give you 5 seconds to please hit on that like button. Like this video, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much for liking this video. And lastly, I'll give you 5 seconds to turn on that notification bell, that bell in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much. So right away, let's continue. So the first thing I'll be doing here is to reduce the size. Let me leave it at 25. So I'll position it here, but you see that spacing there, that line spacing, I'll reduce the line spacing to -5. Alright, so this is what I have here. Okay, I think that is okay. Now let me put some compliments. You see this lady, she's a wife, a nurse, a leader, a mother. She's also generous. Alright, so this text I will change it to the font type Montserrat Bold. Let me use Montserrat Bold. And the alignment, I'll give it a right alignment. Sorry, I'll reduce the color, this size, and place it. I have a problem with that change. Yeah, so now I'll reduce the line spacing. Let me change, I don't like that font type. Let me use Montserrat on this one. Get the line spacing now, reduce it. Yeah, -5 is okay this way. Okay. I think it is okay this way. So I just want to put some other elements. But rather, I think I should bring this one down. It's too up. So bring it down. Alright. So let me just do a write up here. So I'll apply some spacing here. Should be 35. Alright. What again? Let me bring in some other things. We're using this bell. Put the bell here. I think I should reduce the opacity of that bell to 50. I'll copy it and put another one here. Alright, so that is all for this design. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing, and if up to now you have not still subscribed, please subscribe. And if up to now you have not still liked this video, please like this video. If you want these resources in order to practice this same design, you can just go at the description of this video and click on that link. You see a link that will take you to my WhatsApp chat, and I'm able to deliver you the resources. And also I would like to say that I have an active online WhatsApp forum where if you join it, you meet other experts in this field of smartphone graphic designing. You'll be able to sharpen your skills. And also I also like to say that having a mentor in this field will let you get to that professional level that you had always desired. So I have an online training program that will really teach you on how to create stunning and professional flyers that will sell effortlessly, that will attract clients and sell effortlessly. So the link to that course is at the description of this video. So click on that link and get admitted. There is no time to waste. Click on that link and get admitted. So please share this video, turn on your notification bell, like this video, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.